Danny, I've got a question for you. Why does it take my dryer so long to dry my clothes?
Hi April, thanks for that question. That's a question we get quite a bit. You know, there's a few reasons why your dryer might be taking a little longer to dry that load of clothes, and most people think it means having to replace the heating element in the dryer, or even worse, buy a brand new one. But before you replace anything, look at a couple very simple things. A buildup of lint in the dryer or its vent pipe can not only reduce the efficiency of the dryer, but it also can be a fire hazard. The Consumer Product Safety Commission found that in one single year, over 15,000 fires were attributed to the buildup of lint in dryers or their exhaust vents. Now what happens is this buildup reduces the airflow, causing the dryer to work a lot harder and heat up excessively, which can lead to that fire. Now there are two things you can do to stop this buildup. First, clean out your dryer vent pipe periodically. There are brushes designed specifically for this job. Now second, clear the dryer lint screen every single time you use it. Now these two simple steps will help your dryer run more safely and more efficiently.